My country people, una welcome back to my channel today. Whitemoney for a recent podcast where we say in don come out to come expose Phyna about her one BTC with multichoice, and also Whitemoney also explain about how him na carry himself from day one from the Big Brother Naija All Stars mansion for inside the house till the time wey be say they evict am. So a recent interview where we say Whitemoney get with somebody, im explain for there to say the truth be say all dis while wey be say dey for inside Big Brother house, say no be vote, no be e fans vote na actually keep am for inside the house. Say wetin keep am for there na im own money. You una know say some of these housemates before they enter inside Big Brother house, some of them actually drop money to take campaign for them while they dey inside the house and to take vote. So Whitemoney come out dey claim na to say all these while wey be say dey for inside Big Brother house, say the vote wey be say fans vote for am na like 2% out of 100%. Say the rest na im the money wey be say keep na dey use take vote for am till that time wey be say they take evict am from the house. So that particular statement no sweet for fans belle, because some of them actually put in millions just to see say Whitemoney remain inside the house, but him coming out to deny them and not being grateful na come make them vex. Hear say na myself I blame, which means she actually blame herself for voting for Whitemoney. Before I say vetting, for voting for Whitemoney without getting any gratitude. Another one come say were I pity people where they vote for BBN, can never be me, bunch of ungrateful miscreants. Whitemoney not try for this particular statement wey e make, because come to think of it, people actually work hard day and night to make sure say in dey for inside the house. I dey see them, I dey see fans wey be say they campaign for Twitter that time now, and a lot of them they contribute money. So him coming out to not giving them any accolade for that, he could not even say thank you for that interview. Whitemoney not try for this one at all. So him come further explain about his relationship with Eke. According to him, he say not get any beef with her. Say as a matter of fact, all of them wey be say go for the All-Star season, they're actually friends for outside internet. Say na we forget everything episode they see for internet, where we say all the fight where they go on for internet. Say the whole housemate they actually in cordial relationship with one another. So in the interviewer come ask am about Phyna, say wetin you think about how Phyna handle the matter with multichoice. So Whitemoney come say well, he actually fit to say that na the way Phyna feel, say she go fit handle, and it actually worked for her. Say the way she handle am and it work for another person, fit handle am like that, it not go work for the person. Say but Phyna confirmed to him say they actually pay her everything. Say she don't collect both her one BTC and everything. So people come and they ask to say, so Phyna, you don't collect this money and you don't even bother to come online to come tell people where fight for you, because nobody your fans where they come Nation actually fight for you. Every other fan base come out to come drag multichoice, but you can't collect the money finish, come hide. Some they claim say they know about the money. They say she collect the money before her birthday. That's why she go buy 4 wigs. She can't go buy 7 attire. If I remember, say for her birthday she wear 7 different expensive attire. They say na the money where she collect before the birthday from Big Brother, now she use, and she collect the money. She have been bragging on Snapchat. So we're gonna listen to some of the things where we say they talk.
BTC, are you not supposed to come to the same social media to say, multi-choice, they've paid me, everyone. Please, it's okay, they've paid me. You kept mute. That character is not good. That character is not good, Phyna. You need to change. What kind of character is that? They paid you. You kept mute. If not, Whitemoney went to one show. Whitemoney had to Phyna showed me that they've paid her. So what was that all about, Phyna? So they've paid you. You could not even come out to come and tell us that you've been paid. You kept mute. People fought for you. People insulted multi-choice because of you. You choose to keep quiet. That character is too bad. It's not making sense, Phyna. I don't want to believe that. I just want to. Okay, let me play it again. Maybe I did not hear way. Let me play it again. Maybe Whitemoney is lying, because I really want to know. Let me go to my page again and play it.
She got everything, because I was still with her a few days ago. Right. She showed me she got her BTC. Wow, she got everything. So Phyna's gotten a BTC.
And she kept mute.
I think so. She got everything.
Did you guys, Omar? Did you crying again? And smoking.
Tell her.
You know she still took
spend the
people to
money
club,
wisely.
and they don't give that money. She still took people to club for her birthday.
Oh wow.
She took people to club, so that money has gone.
Mercy Eke's wife. I want Mercy Eke's wife.
My love.
Your echo, just mute. Let me say what I want to say. What you're coming here to say about Phyna, because at the end of the day, I feel like she has gone and she has invested that money in her YouTube page. Like she's going to bring
YouTube. She has a YouTube page. I didn't know now.
I don't want to believe that if Phyna actually collect that money, she not come out to come tell anybody. Maybe Whitemoney make mistake. But if eventually say she actually collect the money and she not come online to come tell us to say, see, I don't collect the money, the same way she come online to come cry out, to make everybody want cancel multi-choice, I'm not sure say that type of character and a very good something. It just shows how corny she is, because Phyna and I come a few weeks ago to come tell us say she won't waka leave the money. When I first mentioned, doesn't mean she collect 30 million when they offer her, where they be the equivalent of one BTC as her 2022. Her fans they insult me, say if na me what I go collect her. So Phyna now don't go for back, allegedly go collect the money, which means say she's embarrassed. That's why she don't want come out to come tell people to say see the amount where be say they give me. She feel say talk her fans go tell am say why you go collect am, you no suppose collect am after all the math wey you make to say 1 BTC or nothing, you can't go collect cash, and na something where they lesser than the amount where we say you dey argue for. Another thing, if e be to say Phyna actually collect this money and she use the money to go buy for hair, she use am to go buy wetin they call that thing where we say they say she buy clothes, do 7 photo shoot like say she be Queen Elizabeth, I dey very disappointed, because Phyna came from a very humble beginning. They're not born Phyna with silver spoon. I believe say pikin like that wey be say don see suffer for this life. When you see money, you go plan, you go invest. Buying all those clothes for photo shoot just because you want to impress your fans, so make them call you Odogu, it makes no sense to me. To come out from poverty, they very hard, but you see to fall back to poverty very easy. I hope say she go finally get a management wey be say go dey help her with certain things. If true she actually collect the money, the one wey be say they offer her, me I am very happy, because fighting multi-choice forever, you no go gain anything from inside. The money you no go still see am, but as she collect the one wey be say they offer her, she need to come online to go tell online people say see how much they pay me, una thank you, appreciate people wey fight for you, thank them, so that those wey be say see they drag multi-choice they go back off. But if e be to say Whitemoney dey lie, Phyna go still come out to come tell us say see Whitemoney dey lie. So more we dey hope say Phyna go get the mind to come tell us the exact amount wey they give her, to come confirm whether Whitemoney dey lie or in they tell us the truth. Na take care, una bye.